Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Breako, where we decode the teach word for you. Today we are diving into the world of Linux, the operating system that's power everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Why do so many teach enthusiastic and professionals prefer Linux over the other operating system? I will teach you step by step. So let's get started. Cost effectiveness. Linux is completely free to use. This is a game changer for individuals and businesses looking to cut cost without sacrificing quality. Imagine running your entry operation without spending a dime on software license. Open source in nature. Linux is the epitome of open source psychology. You can tweet, redistribute, and contribute to the code. This openness fosters innovation and collaboration, making Linux constantly evolving ecosystem. Security. Linux is renowned for its robust security measures. With power malware threats and community vigilant about vulnerabilities, Linux stands as a bastion of safety in a landscape riddled with cyber threats. Performance and stability. Linux offers stellar performance and stability. It's the go-to choice for server and critical application where downtime isn't an option. Plus, it's no for begin kind to older hardware, giving it a new lens of life. Customization. Linux does not tell you how to use your computer. You tell it. With unparalleled customization option, you can tailor your desktop environment and user interface to fit your computer exact need and performance. Variety of distribution. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, there is a Linux distribution made just for you. From the user-friendly Ubuntu to the power-packed Arch Linux, the choice is yours. Community support. The Linux community is one of its greatest assets. With forums, chat room, and online resources, help is always just a click away. Privacy. In an age where data is gold, Linux respects your privacy. It does not collect your data like some other operating system, giving you peace of mind. In last, Linux is more than an operating system, it's a statement of digital independence. It's secure, customizable, and backed by a community that's believe in an open source value. So if you are ready to plunge into Linux world, there is no better time than now. Thank you for watching Techno Breako. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more teach insight. Until next time, keep breaking through the teach barriers.